Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in last video we discussed some functional group. In our syllabus, only 5 types of functional group are present. Alcohol, halogen means halide, ketone, aldehyde and carboxylic. And especially the naming rules, common and IUPAC. And today our topic is homologous series. So homologous series is a group of carbon compound having similar structure, similar chemical properties, whose successive in methane differ by single bond CS2 group, like that alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. In alkanes, have general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2, and their names end with ane, means the suffix word using here ane, and the members are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So, according to the chemical formula of CnH2n plus 2, here n equal numbers of constitute particles. Suppose 1, n equal 1. So when we putting the value of n to this types of chemical formula CnH2n plus 2, so C1 and H 2 into 1 plus 2. So C1 and 2 into 1 equal 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 means 4. It means the first name are called methane and the chemical formula is CH4. And in case we just miss the chemical formula of second member, third member, fourth member, fifth member, so a simple types of system or simple types of tricks, you increase every step or every points in one numbers of carbon and two numbers of hydrogen. For example, C in second number C2 and H2 adding hydrogen, so the new formula is H6. Number third, so increase one numbers of carbon, so now the new formula is C3, and add two numbers of hydrogen, so now C6, and adding two hydrogen means 8, so the new chemical formula is C3H8. Now next, C4 and H adding two hydrogen, so it's called 10. 8 plus 2 equal 10. C5H14, C6H16. Same as usual, every step or every places we adding one numbers of carbon and two numbers of hydrogen. So the formula is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, and H4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. So this 10 numbers of member, and the suffix using ane, the suffix using ane, and the name are called, the first name meth means methane after adding ane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. So this is the homologous series. And just see here the structure of methane is CH4, the chemical formula, and see the carbon tetravalency is fulfilled completely with the help of hydrogen. So it is a saturated hydrocarbon C1, H1, 2, 3, and 4. Now ethane C2S6 means C2 1 and 2, and S6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number third, propane. It is a C3H8, and the chemical formula is C1, 2, 3, and H8 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is the alkane group. Now we discuss alkene. So alkene having the general molecular formula is CnH2n, and they are named with ene, means the suffix using ene here. And in alkane, And alkene, the simple difference, alkane, the hydrocarbons in hydrogen, they fulfill the valency tetravalency of carbon, but here remove two numbers of hydrogen, and every name remove two. Now the chemical formula is CnS2n. For example, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, and the chemical formula is C2H4, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10. Just removing two hydrogen to every saturated hydrocarbon, so the new chemical formula is belong to alkene family. And here, most important thing, carbon and carbon are joined to each other with the help of double bond. It is another types of difference between alkane and alkene. Same as usual in alkynes group. Alkynes having general molecular formula is CnS2n minus 2. Means when the hydrogen value again minus 2, so the new chemical formula is CnS2n minus 2, and their name with suffix using YNE, ions, and the members are follow like the C2H2. Means when carbon and carbon are joined here to triple bond, and H here. So it's called ethine. Ethine, propyne, butane, pentyne, hexane, hexane, octine, nonine, and decyne. So this is the examples of alkane, alkene, and alkynes. And one another things, is simple types of difference between alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Number one, bond: alkane single bond, alkene double bond, alkyne triple bond. Number two, suffix: using suffix ane, ene, and yne. And number third, the chemical formula of this all groups. Number one, CnS2n plus 2. Number two, CnS2n minus 2. CnS2n. And number third, CnS2n minus 2. So this is the alkane, alkene, and alkyne. And next video, we discuss more other types of information related to the topic. Okay, thank you.